How to add multiple audio in Instagram Reels. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, open up Instagram app on your device. Now tap on your story. Now tap on the Reel section. From here, you want to select the video that you want as your reel. Now here, if you want to add audio, tap on the music option at the top. Now over here, right now you can only add one song. You're not able to add multiple songs in Instagram itself. So this feature is not available in Instagram as of now. If you want to add multiple audio, what you can do is download and install any editing app. Here I'm going to open CapCut. Now tap on New Project. Select any video that you want to add. Now tap on Audio. Then tap on Sound. Now you can either select any songs which are available here, or you can select one from your device. As you can see, I have added one audio over here. If I want to add multiple, I'm simply going to split this, then delete the rest of the part. Now I'm going to tap on Sounds again. Select any song that you want. And now as you can see, another song is over here. Now in this way, I can add multiple songs in my video. Once you are done editing, tap on this arrow option to export your video. Once the video has been exported, you can open the Instagram app again. Tap on Reel and simply select the video. Now you can simply share this reel, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.